Traffic! Ah! Okay, look at this. This guy, he's one of the stupid people. Alright, there he is, almost up to speed. Another driving tip: always speed up to get on the freeway. Well, not the freeway, stop, but using the freeway, slow down. Stop is because of idiots getting on the freeway too slow, causing a chain reaction. I've seen the analysis of this and the simulations. And of course, the other obvious ones is dickhead police officers that think they have to put on a public display. See, traffic all of a sudden moving after we pass the police officer who was halfway parked in the road. I used to do this, and I don't know if any of the videos survived, several years ago when you were just a baby. Your mom's parents had got her a video camera. This was a somewhat old style. It didn't use film, but it used a magnetic recording tape. And I used to record my drive to and from work each day. Your mom was a bit paranoid, thought I was, if I was late coming home, she always thought I was cheating on her or something. We really didn't have a relationship as a girlfriend-boyfriend anytime after, well, shortly after you were born. I think, looking at the overall scheme of things in our lives, there are some things that have to sum up to fate, or perhaps nature's plan. And I think your creation was the sole purpose for me and your mother getting together. We managed to stay friends and civil, but only, to be honest, only because we've just known each other for so long. And it's always better to be civil than to be enemies. But I think in a different environment, in a different world, I don't think me and your mother would have gotten along all that well. But that's some other alternate universe. Push! Come on, here we go! Jackass getting on the freeway, give it some gas! Ah! Well, that guy's very bald. No, at least moving. I don't really care at the time I get to work most days. It's just a job. It's just a job. My heart, my true passion is things I do with you. Playing video games, even designing, building things. I've always been a designer, builder type person. That's what I like. That's why I like playing Minecraft with you in Terraria this week. Build stuff, even though it's virtual. And you probably can't hear me because of all the noise, because I have the window down a little bit. No, I don't want to turn it up, so blah, 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 blah.